My humble pranam to all the beloved sons and daughters of Ma Sharada who have come from different nooks and corners of the world. Post-lunch session is always dangerous. And I came across one beautiful thought which says in Hindi, अच्छे लोगों का सोना बुरा होता है, बुरे लोगों का सोना अच्छा होता है. It's irony that there is education in Bharat, but there is no Bharat in education. This is the irony of. And all the problems our country is facing as far as education is concerned, they all stem out from this one single irony, that there is education in Bharat, but there is no Bharat in education. Vidya Bharati's attempt, our aim is very clear over here. Our aim is to develop a national system of education which would help to build a generation of young men and women that is committed to Hindutva and infused with patriotic fervor, fully developed physically, vitally, mentally, and spiritually. I'll not go into the details, but this is the major thrust Vidya Bharati insists upon. Next. This is the numerical figure of Vidya Bharati. We have about 13,514 schools. This is a formal. Number of students 31,37,930 and 1,36,231 committed teachers. The only problem of teaching community education is lack of committed teachers. And Tagore has said it very beautifully. The real education can be imparted only by the teacher and not by any method. Next. The salient features of Vidya Bharati. The first Shishu Mandir was started in Gorakhpur in UP, 1952. Today, Vidya Bharati has emerged as the largest educational NGO in the world with schools in the states of Bharat. All the states of Bharat are covered. Shishu Vatika is a unique model without any burden of school bag, based on activities and giving more thrust on sanskar. Next. Gramin Shiksha, Janajatiya Shiksha, that is the education of the tribal region. And we have a beautiful forum of the ex-students which comprise a big number of students which are passed out from Vidya Bharati schools, and they take up different responsibilities today. Matru Bharati is a forum for mothers, and they are doing wonderful work. Let me share over here, the mothers of Kerala, they collected approximately 58 lakh rupees for education. That is very commendable work done by the mothers of Kerala. Vidvat Parishad is an academic council. Then there is continuous training and motivational sessions for the teachers, headmasters, management, members, and organizers. We have been all listening to various speakers and who have been insisting on the knowledge and skills. They are important, no doubt about it. But more importantly, it is the attitude that matters. And when I speak about attitude, I always would like to emphasize on positive attitude, winning attitude, and attitude of gratitude. And this attitude, with the help of attitude only, attitude determines the altitude of success. So it is the attitude that matters. The infrastructure is there, but if there is no proper attitude, nothing could be worked out, nothing can come out. And we have other things. This is a unique examination or this Yojana, Pariyojana, Sanskriti Bodha Pariyojana, wherein the students, children, and the aim of this examination is to imbibe spirit of patriotism and nationalism among the children, to introduce the young generation to the glorious history of Bharat, to transmit and transfer our rich cultural heritage among budding population of Bharat, to brief the students about the achievements of Bharat in various fields. And today, 17 lakh children participate in this program, which is conducted in 11 different languages, and online examination facilities also available for the convenience of our brothers who are from abroad. Next. Vidya Bharati students top the merit list of state boards of UP, Assam, Odisha, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, MP, Himachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. And I have a piece of small information to be shared with you today. I got it right today only. There is a National Institute of Open School, and our student Aswathi from Kerala, she has topped the NIO examination of 2013 and 14 in Bharat and Commonwealth. This is something achievement. For last 3 years consecutively, the children or the three top rankers of this examination are from Malappuram district of Kerala. 97 educational magazines in different languages are being published. We also, our principals have been national awardees. Vidya Bharati has set up an educational research institute recognized by Lucknow and Kanpur universities. Vidya Bharati has signed a member of understanding with Somnath University, Gujarat, to conduct certificate course in Sanskrit and Vedic maths. And there is growing demand for these two subjects. Recently, Vidya Bharati unit of Odisha, they have been awarded by Times of India, and this Think Odisha Leadership Award for Education Institute of Excellence for 2014 was given away to the Odisha unit of Vidya Bharati. Our students figure in civil service examinations, IIT, IIM, medical and other competitive examinations. Accomplishments of Vidya Bharati, our publication department participates in various book exhibitions. 106 books have been published. Numerous workshops, seminars, symposiums are organized to create an awareness on nationalistic education ideology and models. Next. We have also social commitments. Vidya Bharati students always rise to the call of the people during the various natural calamities like earthquake, flood, famine. Vidya Bharati students contribute yearly 10 crore rupees to facilitate education of the borders of Bharat like northeast frontiers. Special attention is being given towards northeastern region and coastal area where there are many anti-national activities rampant. Next. And there is education in Bharat, which I said earlier, but no Bharat in education. Bharat has become independent once. We have to make Bharat independent again. In 1947, we became independent. That's a political independence. Bharat has become independent once. We have to make Bharat independent again. And the second independence will be through education. Let us all strive to attain the second independence. Thank you very much for your patient ears.